Hi guys, it's I dropped my iPod again, and today I'm going to be I dropped my camera. This is just a cheap 35mm one-time use camera. As you can see, that's what it says. But I'm going to do a drop test of it today. So, we're going to do waist height drops right now. We're going to do like that way on the side and then on the lens. So we'll see what happens. Waist height, back drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. Yep, flashed. Take a picture. I think it took a picture too. Yeah. Now we're gonna go on to the side drop from waist height. 3, 2, 1, drop. Okay, flashed again. I think it took a picture. I may be wrong. But there we go. We're going to go into the face down drop from waist height. 3, 2. That flashed. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we just have some scratches on the cover of the lens. Too bad of damage, some scuff marks. Not too bad. Okay, let's go into the shoulder height drop on the back. 3, 2, 1, drop. Looks fine, just some scuffing on it, as always. So let's go on to the corner drop from shoulder height. 3, 2, 1, drop. Okay, I think that hit this corner right there. Oh, you can see some marking on it. On the drop. Okay, now we're going to do the face down drop from shoulder height. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the flash didn't go off that time. Did I break the flash? I think I broke it. Or no, it just wasn't up all the way. So there's some scuff marks right there. Some scratching. Some scuff scratches. Let's see if it'll take a picture now. Flash is on. Okay, it took a picture. Okay, now I'm gonna do the roll drop. Roll the camera. Flash is on. As you can see, flash is on. And I'm just gonna roll it. I'm gonna see how it fares. So, 3, 2, 1, roll. Let's see what happened. Looks like it took a picture. So, yep, and then there's just some scuffing right there. If you focus. No, won't focus, but yeah, there's just some scuffing right there. And some water on the lens. I'm gonna wipe that off. Yeah. Just some more scratching along there. And let's see if it'll take a picture. Yep. The film camera survived the drop test. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. The more views I get, the more drop tests I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.